The latest Maui wildfire lawsuit involving Hawaiian Electric puts the blame on the company's board of directors. The lawsuit says board members knew the risk for years about the possibility of a catastrophic wildfire and did not do enough to prevent it. Manolo Morales reports.
The lawsuit was filed by a shareholder who claims that the board of directors did not fulfill their fiduciary duty by not spending enough money on safety. The lawsuit says Hawaiian Electric's directors caused the company to spend its capital on green energy initiatives that earned the company millions of dollars in bonuses, which the individual defendants used to increase their executive compensation and directors' fees.
Between 2019 and 2022, the records we've seen indicate that only $245,000, less than $245,000, was spent by Hawaiian Electric on the island of Maui to mitigate that risk.
Legal experts say it's a bit unusual to file the lawsuit against board members, especially from a big company like Hawaiian Electric. Doug Chin says it also makes it harder to prove that board members did not act in the best interest of the shareholders.
If there is evidence that starts coming out as the civil lawsuit plays out that shows that that officers and directors weren't following their fiduciary duties, then there might be some exposure for them.
We've got Hawaiian Electric's regulatory filings, with the government that show they knew about this risk for years, and yet very little was spent to actually mitigate it. And now the worst case scenario has happened.
Bonner adds that the company's stock price has dropped 70% since the fires, but he says the lawsuit is not just about money.
This is about change. That's what we're concerned about here. I mean, it's already been horrible, worst wildfire in U.S. history. We got to mitigate this risk so it can never happen again in the future. That's what this lawsuit's about.
We reached out to some of the board members and have not heard back. Hawaiian Electric declined to comment. Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.